Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enter prank mode on your earbuds XIAOMI Buds 5 Pro. And you have to start by open the charging case. If your earbuds do not connect with another devices, it will enter to prank mode automatically. Also after a factory reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically. But also we can enter to prank mode manually. At the bottom of the charging case we have connectional button. And you need to press and hold this connectional button until this LED light starts blinking. Here we go. And now we should see it as a device list, and right here we have it. Now you can tap on it and pair it with your phone. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!